Hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to show you guys an item that I ordered, and I ordered this off of Amazon through is Craft Daddy. So Craft Daddy is the vendor on Amazon, and you see how pretty these beads look? And how much were these beads? Let me see if I could see. So they were $21.99 for 10 strands of beads, right? So that's a total of about 1,100 pieces. What a deal! What a deal! What a deal. So what happened is this is what I got. So these are the beads that I got, and the beads smell like oil, like you like a really strong fragrant oil. And this is the bag that they came in. It's like a dirty bag, tears all in it. Look, this is what the bag looks like, right? So it came in the Amazon bag, and this is the strand of beads, that I got. And I'm trying to prevent from messing up the sound. So this is how they sent it to me, just like this. And they stink. They smell like oil. Like if you were to literally dip something in some oil, like incense oil or body oil or something like that. That's what they smell like. I mean, really, really strong. So you can't tell me that when you put these beads in this plastic bag first and then put them in that Amazon envelope, that you didn't smell the way these beads, you didn't smell these beads. It's like, and who would send something like that to somebody? You knew exactly what you were sending when you sent it to me. So if I use these beads and I make something from these beads, right? And then I'm trying to sell it to somebody, the first thing they're going to think is I wore the beads or somebody else wore the beads because you can smell the really, really strong oil. That's not good business. And what you think I'm going to do with these things? They're going right back to them, and I want my $29 and my $21.99, and I would never buy from them again. And that's a sad thing. You could have had a really good customer. But anyway, that's my rant for today. Craft Daddy. So if you buy something from them, just beware. Just beware. All right, we'll talk soon.